Shiba Inu Coin gains over 30% in just 2 days as Kraken announces Shib listing. The cryptocurrency market has been in a bearish trend for the past few months. Kraken, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, announced that they will be listing Shib tokens on their platform. This is great news for investors and traders alike, as it means more liquidity and better prices. The Cryptocell is an education organization that helps newcomers learn about cryptocurrency investing so they can invest and trade responsibly and safely with our expert advice on diversifying your portfolio, buying low, selling high, and avoiding scams. We are here to talk about how Shiba Inu Coin gained over 30% in just 2 days after Kraken announced Shib token listing on their trading platform. This content is part of our series where we cover crypto-related topics so people can invest responsibly with expert advice from the Cryptocell experts who have decades of experience investing in different types of investments. Shiba Inu, Shib, a Dogecoin-inspired meme cryptocurrency, has emerged as one of the best performers across traditional and crypto markets, entering the new weekly session as its price climbed by over 30% week to date. Shib's price reached $0.00005155 Tuesday after bouncing from its technical support near $0.00003560 at the beginning of this week. Its rebound signaled a shift in trend, especially after the last week's broader market sell-off, induced by concerns related to the new COVID-19 strain, dubbed Omicron. Bullish catalysts for Shib's price. At the core of Shiba Inu's upside retracement was Kraken, a United States-based cryptocurrency exchange that announced November 29 it would effectively enable Shib trading on its platform from November 30. However, Kraken clarified that it would not offer Shib futures and margin trading services. Additionally, at the beginning of this week, Shiba Inu received bullish cues from a broader recovery across the top digital assets, including Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether ETH. Bitcoin rallied by more than $3,000 from its November 26 low near $53,500 the day the Omicron variant caused turbulence across the traditional and crypto markets. Meanwhile, Ether, which has a higher degree of positive correlation with Bitcoin, surged from nearly $3,900 to around $4,500 in the same period. The market catalysts helped boost internet searches for the keyword Shiba Inu. Data on Google Trends showed on a 7-day timeframe that coincided with a spike in internet queries for the keyword Shib, underscoring a recovering retail interest in the cryptocurrency this week. Shib price chart technical. Shiba Inu's latest rebound also activated a bull flag pattern that projects its price per token at around $0.00010000. In detail, Shib's price broke above the flag's upper trend line, accompanied by a rise in intraday trading volumes that typically prompts traders to shift their profit target to a level that is at length equal to the previous uptrend's height. Simultaneously, Shib also confirmed breaking out of a falling wedge pattern, a bullish reversal indicator, as shown in the chart. The profit target of the wedge pattern can be found at the length equal to the maximum distance between its upper and lower trend line, about $0.00003053 above the breakout point around $0.00007500. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in crypto so it can be part of your diversified portfolio, then consider reading our free crypto investing book, which will teach you everything from A to Z. Are you interested in making money in the cryptocurrency market? Then this free ebook is perfect for you. You'll get a detailed overview of what it takes to invest in cryptocurrencies and why they can be such a great addition to your investment portfolio. This next video is going to be really cool, and you should subscribe to our channel while it's still free. I think you can learn a lot from our experts, and it would make me happy to have you as a part of our subscriber family. Feel free to share this with anyone you think might also enjoy it.